Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Grab the 28-character recovery key and a trusted Apple device, then connect to a reliable network. Once connected, open iForget. Apple, calm and choose the option to reset with your recovery key. This is the only path that uses that key directly. Enter the full recovery key exactly, including dashes where shown, because a single character error blocks progress. After the key verifies, make sure you select the Apple ID you intend to reset and move straight to the verifications. Once the recovery key is accepted, Apple prompts for device approval or sends a verification code to your trusted device. Respond promptly. You must enter that code to prove you control a trusted device as well as the recovery key. After verification, you'll be asked to create a new, strong password. Mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, and confirm it twice. Make sure to update any saved passwords in browsers and keychains immediately, so background services reconnect without repeated prompts. Finish by signing back into every Apple device and service, and confirm iCloud and keychain sync. Then generate a fresh recovery key and store it offline. Print it and keep the paper in a secure place, because the old key no longer applies after reset. If something goes wrong, such as the recovery key being rejected, don't panic. You must start Apple's account recovery process or contact Apple support. Make sure you have purchase receipts or device serials ready to speed identity checks. That tip fixes most stall points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.